Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So everyone has been requesting me a lot for this video, a winter skincare routine for dry as well as oily skin. So here I am today for this video. I'll be telling you few simple skincare routine for makeup that you can follow if you have a dry skin or if you have an oily skin. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As I have told in my earlier videos as well, the very first step for any skincare is the removal of makeup. But in summers, it's a different process for removing makeup, and in winters, it's different process for removing makeup. In winters, I prefer removing my makeup through oil or a cleansing milk instead of micellar water or any face wash. So very first step I do for this makeup removal for winters is applying coconut oil on my skin. It absorbs all the makeup and you can easily wipe it off with any tissue or cotton or any wet wipes. After doing that, you can easily remove the leftover makeup through a cleansing milk, or if you want to wash your face, you can wash it off as well. Make sure you use a mild cleanser, a mild face wash while washing off the makeup while doing it in winters, because the skin gets dry if you use a harsh face wash or anything. So I would suggest the Cetaphil cleanser for the face wash in winters. It's really very mild and it's really good for the skin. It keeps it hydrated and does not let it lose the moisture. If you have an oily skin, so I would suggest you to go for Himalaya's Neem Purifying Face Wash, as it removes the oil and excess dirt and makes your skin a bit dry in texture, so it will not get oily that soon. So let's start with our very first step. Take some coconut oil and apply all over your face. Now you just need to massage the oil over your face really well so that all the makeup is absorbed by this oil, and when you wipe it off, the makeup gets removed. So this way will help you to maintain the moisture of your skin and it will not get dry due to other harsh face washes or micellar waters. This thing is done. Now I'll take some cotton, you can take some tissue or wet wipes, and I'll just wipe off my face. So you can see almost all the makeup is removed. The leftover I'll be doing with the face wash. I use Cetaphil cleanser, and my skin is not dry at all. In summers I have oily skin, and in winters my skin gets dry, so it becomes red with dryness. So I use this thing to keep my skin hydrated. If you do not apply makeup on regular basis, you can directly skip to the second step. There's no need for doing this step, the makeup removal. Or if you want to do the face wash before applying any product on your skin for the skincare, you can go for it. Okay, so now I am done with the cleansing of my face as well. I have washed my face with the Cetaphil cleanser. So the next step for my winter skincare would be applying some almond oil on your face. If your skin is oily in texture even in winters, you can mix the almond oil with aloe vera gel and then apply it on your face. So it will not make your skin more oily. Instead, it will just nourish your skin. You can apply the almond oil over your eyes, over your eyebrows, over your lips, anywhere you want, because it really gives a great effect to your lips and to your eyes. Take some almond oil in your palm, rub it, and then take some aloe vera gel. This is for people who have oily skin even in winters or mild skin. those who have dry skin, they can directly use only almond oil. You guys can mix vitamin E capsule as well if that's readily available with you. That also helps in making the skin glow and nourishes the skin well. So you can see how naturally my skin is glowing. So this needs to be kept overnight, and in the morning you can again wash your face with a mild cleanser, and you can see a difference in one night only. Regular use of this skincare really improves your skin. Almond oil is very good for your skin. So that's it from my side in this video. I hope this would be helpful for you all, for people with dry and oily skin. And I hope you will be sharing this with your friends as well, so that they also can take a good care of their skin in winters. Everyone faces a lot of skin problems in winters. One of them is dry and red skin. This night skincare routine for winter will definitely help you and will make your skin much more glowy and much more moisturized. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.